They should give you an option on Uber to like pick a reckless driver.
Yeah,
like, yo, I need to get somewhere quick.
Dumb fast. I want this to get a shoulder.
Like, yo, your driver doesn't really respect like traffic regulations.
Nah.
Like, yes. Yo, my nigga, like, can I play you a track? Can I play you a track real quick? You know what I'm saying? I'm not just an Uber driver.
That's when you just open the Uber app and see how far you got to go. You're like,
yo, my man, can I play you a track real quick?
Yeah, fuck it.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We got 3 minutes. Go ahead, fuck it. Yo, there's a meeting.
Yeah, this one. Okay, this is like the first track.
I see.
Come on, ride it, Uber driver. Come on, ride it, Uber driver.
Oh, it's like the ghost town.
Uber driver. Yeah. So I just kicked in the verse. Like I'm trying to do like a Miami beat. Come on, ride it.
Okay.
Uber driver.
How are you gonna clear that?
When you're driving and you're vibing and you're driving. Uber.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's like 12 tracks about being an Uber driver. You know what I'm saying?
All of them.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was just like the one.
Nah, like I come from different
personal experience type
perspectives.
thing.
Like there's one where like I am the perspective of the actual car. You know what I'm saying? It's all about Uber experiences. That's why it's called the Uber.
Oh, the Uber.
I'll send you a digital download email. Matter of fact, what's your real government name so I can friend you on Facebook and I'll just DM you?
I don't. I stopped using Facebook. I'm not really on social media like that.
Just open the door and roll out.
Hit the eject button and shit.
5 stars!